Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our this series of videos in which we are showing you that how you can utilize your Excel knowledge in managing and organizing your channel, monitoring and performance reporting, customized reporting for your YouTube channel performance, and you can analyze uh, your channel performance using the features of Excel and VBA in a better manner, in a very efficient manner. So in previous video, we showed you that we made a video table. We made also a video report, right? So in the video table, it's actually dates wise. Say for the month of January, starting from the 1st of January, and then followed by the 2nd and 3rd, and so on, right? So you see, this is a 1st of January lot. It came in 145 rows, and then it starts the 2nd of January, and so on. It takes you to the 3,000 rows, and when it reaches 15th of January, about okay. So these all are downloaded. These are downloaded uh, uh, from YouTube, and it is this sheet is done automatically. Means you don't have to worry about this. All you need to do is just click in here, and it will bring every file one by one, their information in a tabular manner, so that you can have efficient report. Based on all your hyperlinked videos, yes, and here you enter the date. For example, you enter, say, for example, 17th of January, right, or 15th of January, right? So it will automatically become what? 16th of January. This will automatically become 17th of January, 18, 19. So 7 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days yeah, your progress is written in these 7 columns, right? Starting from the date you choose from here. For example, if you say, okay, 1st of January, then it will take up to the 7th of January. So you can get the views and how frequently this video was viewed in these 7 days, right? And how many views are there are 3 views, right? These are the 2 views. This is more popular, right? Okay, so this is the performance of so you can use all these information, uh, for example here. So if you change it, right? So for a particular set of days, you can see what happens with respect to your popular videos, right? And how many. Yeah, so the more it is filled, it means it is being watched on daily basis, right? And 14 is the sum, right? So this is wonderful, and this is also good, right? And here it is 11. So this gives you a clear idea that which video is performing and which video is not performing. So you can take the remedial action so that next time you have a better result like this. This is 41 views in 7 days, right? This is wonderful. And which is it? It is getting starting with ABAP, right? So this no, this is yeah, this is dynamic Excel file updates on OneDrive with VBA. So this was liked very much, okay? But it was in Hindi and Urdu, okay? So it has some English part of it also available all for all these videos, right? Dynamic, yeah, this is, yeah, and you can have the English part somewhere here, okay? Dynamic Excel part, this is English one, right? So the English one was also having 28 views, right, for this. So this is how this report is done. So let's add a new uh, update to this, right? So the last report we had was 25th of January. So 26th we can download, right? So let's see how to do this. We will go to the channel, right? In this channel, we are going to uh, go to the analytics, and in the analytics, we go to see more. In the see more, we will go to the custom, right? And in here, we will make it 26. Yeah, this is 26, and make a copy of this also, and we put this in. So 26 to 26 means 1 day progress. Okay, so this is 1 day filter we have set. So it is going to list you everything on the basis of 26. Yeah, on 26 that this was happened. Okay, 19 views were, and these were the watch time. Some subscriber were unsubscribed. Okay, and this was estimate impressions and this and that. Okay, so the next thing is that we do the download. So we download it, and so this is a two-step procedure. First of all, you will get the Google Sheet, and then you will download it, right? Like this. So an indication will come in here, and you will go to the drive, and you will rename it as 26. So here comes uh, the file naming convention. So first of all, we have to type year, and then month, and then day, that is 26. Okay, so that's all we need to do, and we have to move it. Let's cut it from here, and we go to the monthly file folder. This is our monthly file folder, and in this we are going to paste it here. Okay? Here we are going to simply paste it, Control V. So the file is here now. Now we can straight away go to our system and run it. So this will be updated. Start from the beginning. You can start from, okay. So it doesn't take much time. It will carry on without any breakpoint. Okay. So this is uh, refresh all the files, and you will get the revised report. Okay, until the 26th of January, this is going to finish soon. Okay, so it has completed the process, and it has loaded all the 26 uh, files data. Okay, and you can see that the information is ready here. All you need to do is just we unfreeze it so that you can see all this information. Okay, it got scrolled a bit. Okay, so this is how it is. So we freeze it again. Okay, so now you can have until the 26th as well. So it was a preview. So let's try to get such a rate that here it should come 26 straight. Okay, so we add 2 to this. At the moment it is 18. Okay, so we add 2 that make it 20. Okay, we make it 20. Sorry. We make it 20 here, right? So the 26 progresses here, and 19 views. This tallies that 19 views were reported on 20, and which were the those 19 views, which videos were this? 2 views were from here, right? And what else? And 1 views are there. So you can filter them, and you can find out that which views were on those side. So this is the what we wanted to show you was the file naming convention is very, very important. Uh, when we name the file, it should be consistent. It should be following a consistent convention, so that that would make it possible for you to automate, and it will allow you to retrieve the information properly. Okay, the file naming it is all related to the organizing your YouTube files, the files which are connected with your YouTube videos in the description, for which you share the links, right? Or you do some customized reports on the YouTube downloaded files, and the downloaded files should be named following a consistent convention. So so that would help you organize your files using a logical and efficient naming system, so making it easy to locate the files which you are searching for. So and retrieval of the information is easy for you. And then you can also protect yourself from the chaos. If you do not have a consistent filing convention, then you will be stuck up, and you will find no way out, and it will be a mess. Right? So to protect yourself from chaos, you this file naming convention is going to help you, and you it will make it easy for you to organize like a professional person. So your files, the more they are uh, organized in a professional manner, so it will save your time and efforts, and it will help you automate the things easily. Otherwise, um, you, it will cause too many unwanted procedures and hard codings and this and that. Okay. And also the file naming secrets have to be very intelligently done. File naming, one of the examples we have showed that that uh, when you use your files like here, so your code becomes very straightforward, right? All you need to do is start and means you don't have to hard code the things, and it will determine which file to process, and um, means it will make you your logic. It will support your logic, your file naming convention. If it is consistent, so it will support your code as well, and your logic will be simplified. Otherwise, it will cause too many problems, and time and resources will have. The one example we have showed you that this is due to your file naming convention that allows you to make the draft, and just change one file, just change one file name, and for example fifth. So this is due to the consistent file naming convention. That's why all the rest of the you do not need to change. They will automatically come up, right? And uh, so so these are the names which are being working. These are working as a key for you to extract the data. Like, yeah. So these are the keys. Actually, these are the file names. It is like this, dot XLSX, right? This is the name. So they have means and we have omitted the extension name, extension, because we do not want any that extension anymore. So we have picked only the file name without the extension, and this file name is working as a key for us to retrieve the appropriate data in the appropriate column, right? And just we change only one, the starting one, right? And the system automatically pick the other 6 days, and the figures are changed automatically. So that's my flexible. So this is the reason that we say that the file naming convention, it has to be consistent, and it has to be well thought, and it has to be supporting you in your coding, in your VBA. So in your VBA code will be more simplified, and you don't have to do any hard coding. So you can use the logic of your VBA and to determine which file to pick, and uh, uh, and how to do the settings of your report. Okay, so this was our agenda to explain to you that file naming convention, their merits, and the disadvantages of not having a consistent are also understood. If you do not have a consistent file naming convention, then it would be causing the loss of time and resources, and it will make the things complicated, complex, and also the professionalism will be compromised in your work. So being a professional, having a professional look, it is very important for a programmer, for a developer, that we use the file naming convention in a professional manner. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in our next video.